Why can't I see him? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Is that him? Yeah, he's moving. Okay, right there's moving. What the hell is that thing? Oh shit. There's two of them though. Damn, you can't see them unless they blink. There's another one. Where's the other one at? Wait a minute, he's right under him. The red blinking lights, of course. Whoa, what the hell's this thing? This thing came out of nowhere. It's going right for the jets. It's going to, look at that. Yep, that's going right for the jets. Same direction. Whoa, that thing is bright and huge. It's perfectly focused too, and I can't get the exposure down. It's too bright. There's no blinking lights. Oh, it's fading away now. It's starting to fade away. Oh, it's gone. See that?